Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And we are on day 5 of our fashion jewelry advent calendar.
Oh.
So far we've gotten the bracelet, 2 spacers, and 2 charms. And Shelby thinks we're going to get another charm today. So let's see. So Shelby, I think it's your turn. For day 5. Was she right?
I was wrong-ish? I don't know. I think it'd be any. Yeah?
It's pretty. I like that color, that rose gold.
It doesn't.
It's Christmas. Things don't have to match and fit.
But I prefer it to.
Well, I prefer to be eating steak, too. No, I like it. That's pretty. I like the rose gold.
Rose gold is very pretty.
All right, so
we need more rose gold, though, if that's the case.
Yes.
Because otherwise that's going to be weird.
I'll wear it. It fits. I'm good. All right. So I think actually that's 3 spacers and 2 charms and the bracelet. And I think I said in another video, you need to definitely stay tuned because I really see a mother-daughter cat fight going on at the end when we try to divvy these up and see who gets what. I think I can take her. What do you think?
No.
Oh, yeah.
I'd win. I'd win.
You may have youth. I got experience.
I have fear that I'm actually going to hurt you.
Exactly. And I can always play the guilt card. Trust me, the mom card and the guilt card are really powerful things. I just gave you my strategy.
Mm-hmm.
I'll have to come up with another one.
Yeah, you'll give it away. I'll still feel guilty.
Well, maybe that means you'll like, make something. Maybe you'll make dinner one night or something. Sure, come on. Yeah, you're learning to cook, by the way. Yep, shoot.
Anyway.
So far, so good. The excitement is building. I can't wait to see what we get tomorrow. What do you think we're going to get tomorrow?
An actual charm.
A charm. She's going with the charm again. Be sure you come back tomorrow to see if she is right. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we certainly hope you'll come back tomorrow. So we will see you then, right here at
Crazy Dave's Crew.
That's us. Thanks for watching.
Bye.